So Friday morning, we just check back through everything. Alright, I'm gonna do another video still through the engine coil right now, but this is the Toyota. This pickup is a brand new pickup. 887 kilometers on it. Alright. This engine is so quiet for a diesel. You can hear it knocking a little bit loud, but trust me, if I go for a drive in and just come back, you hear it so quiet. But this is the issue, that it carries the radar here. So this one was flashing, and what we found were two wires within the loom that cut, preventing this one. But it even if you scan it, it wasn't getting any codes. So I guess it's like an independent system. So it was just flashing the light up in there. So we found that and sorted it out. Customer should be collecting the vehicle today. So I'm gonna do another video when the engine warm up. Another video I'm gonna do of how quiet this diesel engine is. So this is it, 2025 Hilux that came in with the blind spot mirror. See, it's working there now. Can pick up that vehicle. I'm sure the next side is working too if it had a problem, but we saw that side work a while ago, and it's not flashing on that side anymore like it used to. So this case is closed. Honey bought that job sheet, you know. Alright, that's it. See if we can pick up any more for that side. So see if we got it on that side. Maybe if I try and drive and go on this side, maybe we'll pick up a vehicle on that side, we're not sure. Alright, so see, pick it up there. Pick up the next vehicle. So working, alright. Alright, cool.